carry-on items put away until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins as items tend to move during flight. Check bags will be available at carousel number 2. If you have a receipt that says claim at gate, you may pick up your items outside the front boarding door. If you need any help getting off the plane, feel free to remain seated after we've arrived at the gate so we may better assist you. For information on connecting flights and bag claim, you may also check airport monitors or download our free JetBlue mobile app. We hope you enjoyed the JetBlue experience. If you receive an email survey about your trip, we'd love to get your honest feedback. On behalf of all of us here at JetBlue, especially this New York City-based crew, thank you again for choosing us. For those of you from the Los Angeles area, we'd like to be the first to say welcome home. As Cher once sang, if I could turn back time, please remember on Sunday your clocks go back an hour. So if you're flying on Sunday and you're late for your flight, we don't want to leave without you.